Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture, we will discuss about some questions based on permutations. Okay, so I am taking first example as find the number of permutations, or it can be written here, find the number of arrangements of the letters of word. So the word given to us is Allahabad. Allahabad. So why I am writing this letter in capital? So to give a gist like how many digits are repeating. So here A is occurring 4 A's, L is 2 times. Now B is left 1, D is 1, H is 1. Okay, so total there are 9. Okay, and out of which this A is repeating 4 times and L is repeating 2 times. Okay, so the total number of permutation for these type of cases, as I have told you in my previous lecture also, when the two alphabets are repeating, okay, so in that case the total number of combinations or sorry permutations will be total number of n means n factorial upon p factorial, out of which p are repeating. So here A is repeating 4 times and L is repeating 2 times. So the total number of combinations are permutations are 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So this 4 factorial cancels out. So 2 factorial is 2. So what we will get is 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 upon 2, which is 7560. Okay students, now I hope that you guys can easily solve these type of questions if it come into exams. Okay, now let's discuss another question. So student, here we are given a question in which we have to find out, okay, R, where a relation is given to us. This is 5 multiply 4pr. So I will apply the formula for 4pr is 4 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial is equals to 6 times 5pr minus 1. It is 5 factorial upon 5 minus r minus 1 factorial. So 5 into 4 factorial is 5 factorial upon 4 minus r factorial into is equals to 6 into 5 factorial upon 5 minus r plus 1. So it is 6 minus r factorial. Okay, so the 5 factorial cancel out. So we are left with 6 minus r factorial is equals to 6 into 4 minus r factorial. So I can write student, it is 6 minus r into 5 minus r into 4 minus r factorial is equals to 6 into 4 minus r factorial. So this cancel out. So this we are left with 6 minus r into 5 minus r is equals to 6. So on multiplying, what we will get is r square minus 11r plus 24 is equals 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation and the roots of quadratic equation are r minus 8 and r minus 3 equals 0. So we are getting two roots, either r is equal to 8 or 3. Okay, so that we have to find out. Okay student, so this is the value of r. I hope that you guys are pretty clear about this question. Now let's solve another question based on permutations. So student, here we are given a question in which we are given 4 red, 3 yellow and 2 green discs. So we need to find out the number of permutations or the number of ways in which these discs can be arranged if the disc of same color is indistinguishable, means they are all same. Okay, so there are total 9 discs. So total discs are 9 and the discs which are repeating so I can divide it. So students, this is a simple way. I think now you can easily solve these type of questions. Okay, so it is 9 into 8 into 6 into 5, 1 7 is left, into 4 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is cancel out, 3 factorial is 6, it is cancel out with this, so 2 is 4 times, 36 into 35, that is the answer we are left with. So it is 1260. I hope students now this is pretty clear to you to find out the number of ways. This 4 comes because of R, because they are repeating. So as I have discussed in my previous lecture, if there are some cases or if there are some things which are repeating, so we will divide the total number of permutations by the repetitions. Okay, so let's discuss in the next lecture about combination. So stay tuned for next lecture on combinations. Thank you. Happy learning.